Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saruj and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing short documentary review, and my topic is the history and future of artificial intelligence. Today we are going to explore one of the most exciting technologies of our time, artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Our documentary is called The History and Future of Artificial Intelligence. AI is changing the way we live, work, learn and communicate. From smartphones and online shopping to healthcare and self-driving cars, AI is becoming a part of our everyday lives. But where did all begin? And what does the future hold? Let's find today. The beginning of AI, the future of intelligent machine is now new. For hundreds of years, people imagined machines that could think and solve problems like humans. These ideas appeared in stories, books, and science fictions long term before computer existed. In the 1950s, computer become more powerful, and scientists began asking an important question: Can a machine think? This question started the journey of artificial intelligence. In 1956, a group of researchers met at the conference in the United States. During the meeting, the term artificial intelligence was officially introduced. Their goal was to create machines that could learn, reason, solve problems, and make decisions. This movement is considered the birth of modern AI. How AI has at first, AI system could only perform simple tasks. They allowed fixed instruction and could not learn from experience. As technology improved, computer become faster and scientists developed better algorithm. AI began learning from large amount of data instead of following only pre-written rules. When your phone unlocks using your face, when a map suggests the fastest route, or when a streaming service recommends a movie, AI is working behind the scenes. So, artificial intelligence is helping people in many different fields. In healthcare, AI help doctors detect diseases earlier and analyze medical images more quickly. In education, AI create personalized learning experience and help students understand difficult topics. In agriculture, smart system help farmers monitor crop, save water, and increase food production. In business, AI improve customer services, manages data, and automate repetitive tasks. AI also helping scientists exploring space, predict weather, and develop new medicine. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace human creativity, kindness, or imagination. Instead, it is a powerful tool that can help us solve problems, save time, and create new opportunities. The future will likely be a partnership between humans and intelligent machines, where people provide creativity, ethics, and decision making, while AI help with speed, data analysis, and repetitive tasks. Learning about AI today prepare us to for the world of tomorrow. The story of artificial intelligence is a story of curiosity, innovation, and human imagination. From a simple idea in the 1950s to one of the world's fastest growing technologies, AI has already transformed many parts of our lives. And its journey is also beginning. The future of AI depend not only on a smarter machine but also on the choices we make as people. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, so please like, share, and subscribe for more education documentaries about science, technology, and innovation. Stay curious, keep learning, and I will see you in the next documentary. Khuda Hafiz, Pakistan, Zindabad.